love it here, Bianca.
Grabe, look at this space. I'm so excited na umiko.
Me too. And amiga, you know, I noticed ayan, kamukhang-kamukha ng namin, foyer namin sa Alabang.
Foyer?
Yes, not foyer foyer.
Iba talaga.
Dalawin mo kami ni Cassandra, we'll cook for you.
I like that. I will take up your offer. Pero eto, bago tayo pumasok, let us remind everyone of this pro tip. Make a list of everything you want from IKEA.ph. So just visit the website. Siyempre, ilista mo na yung mga gusto mo doon. Ang daming inspiration, ang daming ideas para isa-isa mo na lang i-check sa list mo to make your shopping experience super easy and convenient.
Yes, that's right. Tick the box. And are you ready na with your list?
Of course! Yay! I'm so excited.
Check na natin.
Yes. Dito ka ba? Kasi ako, I'll go to the other floor first.
Here ako for Roberto.
Sige. Alright. I'll see you later.
See you.
Aunt Julie?
Who is that?
It's me, Giselle. Hi, Aunt Julie.
Oh, hi, Giselle.
My name is Giselle. I am part of the customer relations team here at IKEA Pasay City. So welcome.
Hello.
Today, I will be showing you a tour of our showroom. So when we go inside, you will see arrows, and those arrows are the guidelines that we will follow when we go inside the store. Kasi it's big, para hindi tayo maligaw.
Oh yeah, arrows. Meron din ba diyang arrows caldo? Kasi
Arrows.
I'm gutom na eh.
Oh, nag-roast caldo. So, Auntie Julie,
Yes.
welcome here to our showroom area. So, here at IKEA, pwedeng hawakan at pwedeng upuan ang mga
Oh,
items.
perfect. Wow,
Yes.
it's so comfy here.
You're also safe here because we have a maintenance team here and they sanitize all the items here inside the store.
Uy, perfect.
And here at our store, you can play with our items like your own.
Like my own?
Like your own.
Oh my God. Hey, boys! Yeah, daling na to sa parking. Uwi na natin to. Meron kasi akong pinapa-renovate na house.
Oh.
Yeah. So, I'm thinking, I want lang my items to be sophisticated and chic, but at the same time, hindi naman super bragging. Tapos, I also like yung professional and elegant. Tsaka gusto ko rin yung subtle pero down-to-earth, humble lang, gano'n.
Low-key.
Yeah,
Low-key and minimalist.
perfect,
Right.
diba? Is this the Powang chair?
This is the famous puwang chair, Auntie. You can sit down. You wanna try it? Yeah.
Pag umupo ba ako, hindi ba ako mapopawang?
Ay, hindi naman. You can try.
Oh, this is so comfortable. My gosh, I want to buy this.
We have here our P-tags or price tags, the yellow P-tag, and then we also have the red P-tag. When you see yellow, you just contact any of our coworker or staff, and then we will be helping you with your purchase. For our red P-tag over here, you can go to the self-serve area or the market hall. It's downstairs.
Wait, kasama ba to sa design?
That's not actually, it's a communication. That's the actual price of the table.
Kasi I'm gonna buy 11 eh. So 11 photos.
Just one photo is okay.
Just one?
Yeah.
Oh my God, Giselle! This is a stunning place. Where are we now?
Thank you. Welcome here at our planning studios. If you go here, we have our specialist who will help you with your design at home. And if you want to have your kitchen done, if we also have the wardrobes over here. So kung gusto mo ilagay sa bahay yan, that's perfect.
Giselle, this is nice. Compliment,
you.
no?
Compliment, yes.
Can I put my clothes here?
Yes. Then
Wow.
meron siyang pull out like that para hindi ka nahihirapan, right? And for your accessories.
Oh, this
yes,
one.
Yeah, that
Oh.
one.
Hi, Aunt Julie.
Hello.
My name is Mike, and welcome to our market hall.
Hello, Mike.
So when you enter the market hall, you have a choice of a shopping cart
Oh,
or a fracta bag.
wait, Fracta? Does it mean you're too honest? Just kidding.
As you can see, our fracta bag is a handbag that is spacious and it will make your shopping experience here at IKEA easy, fun, and convenient.
Wow, convenient.
So Auntie, this is definitely the place to be when you're looking for thoughtful, affordable, and quality items to improve your life at home. So here at IKEA, we prioritize customer information. So all these colored walls actually have a distinct purpose. For example, this yellow wall shows that you can be inspired with many designs. As you can see, this chair, as is already fine. But when we add different kinds of cushions or different designs, we can add a whole new look to the chair.
That's true. And because of that, I'm adding it to my fracta.
Aunt Julie, this is our red wall. So the red color will mean that these are the low-priced items. So here at IKEA, we prioritize your bang for your buck.
Bang for your buck? Oh my God, not an issue for me. Oh, sorry, this one.
So this green circle right here means that these products are sustainable. So here at IKEA, we prioritize sustainability just because this is a value we want to push to everyone. This is for the next generation of people that will use this world, and we highly encourage it.
But you know, this is interesting, Mike. Bakit yung mga names dito sa IKEA, mga parang Swedish names?
IKEA is a Swedish brand, so most of our items are actually Swedish named.
Yeah, makes sense. Oh, eto pa.
We have the self-serve area. Pretty straightforward. You serve yourself. So when you go here to pick up your item, wala kayong masyado makikita na coworker to help you. So you serve yourself like this. You get it by yourself. You load it inside your car, in your cart, right?
Yan. And then it's flat pa, no? The flat pa.
Yes, it's very compact. So you can put it inside your car and then you can just go home with your product. Right?
That's true.
Right.
At dahil dyan, speaking of the gas, I'm pressing the gas pedal now. We're going to check out.
Okay.
Oh my gosh! Thank you very much, Giselle
Thank you,
and Mike.
Auntie.
No problem, Auntie. It was a pleasure to have you here. And don't forget, after you check out, you can opt to bring home your items and assemble it yourself, or you can avail of our delivery and assembly service at the customer service area.
Oh, that's perfect. But Giselle, what if I want to return the items?
Oh, no worries, Auntie. We've got 365 days of return for you. You just have to keep the original receipt with you.
Oh, wow. A store that's willing to wait for you for a year. Oh my God, where's my Amiga Bianca na ba?
Auntie, grabe naman yan.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry naman. Wait, what did you get?
Ay, ito, super cute. Look, I got the trauma wall clock.
Oh my God! You got the trauma. I got the trauma clock too.
Ay, so yung trauma wall clock. Twinsies.
Yeah, twinsies.